Today we're going to do Kuta software calculus, the product rule. To derive a function y, it equals f times the derivative of g plus g times derivative of f. In number one, your first function is f, your second function is g. So y prime equals negative x cubed times the derivative of g, that would be 12x cubed, plus g, which is 3x to the fourth minus 2, times the derivative of f, negative 3x squared. Simplifying, you would have negative 12x to the sixth. Distribute, you would get 9x to the sixth plus 6x squared. Add like terms, you would get negative 21x to the sixth plus 6x squared. On to number two, derivative of f is f prime of x equals, that's your f and that's your g. So f is x squared times the derivative of g, negative 6x, plus function g, negative 3x squared minus 2 times derivative of f is 2x. Distributing, you would get negative 6x cubed, and distributing minus 6x cubed minus 4x. Like terms, it's negative 12x cubed minus 4x. Two more problems. That's your f, and that's your g. So y prime equals f is negative 2x to the fourth minus 3, derivative of g, which is negative 4x, plus g, negative 2x squared plus 1 times the derivative of f, negative 8x cubed. Distributing, so I would get positive 8x to the fifth and positive 12x. Distributing again, plus 16x to the fifth and negative 8x cubed. Like terms, always write your highest term first. Combining these two, that would be 24x to the fifth minus 8x cubed plus 12x. Last, number 4, that's your f and that's your g. So f prime of x equals, function f is 2x to the fourth minus 3 times the derivative of g is 2x, plus function g is x squared plus 1 times derivative of f is 8x cubed. Distributing, you would get 4x to the fifth minus 6x plus 8x to the fifth plus 8x cubed. Add like terms, you would get 12x to the fifth plus 8x cubed minus 6x. You always rearrange in descending order.